Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the client card transaction in Divvy. So let's start with the first step, which is to find the declined transaction. So open the Divvy application and tap Transactions. A block charge shows a red decline badge instead of green approved one. So tap on the row and then tap on the Amazon Web Services charged with the details. Next is read the declined reason. So the transaction details show the screen, the exact reason at the bottom. So the common ones are budget limit exceeded and so that wording tells you which setting to change. Next is top up and raise the budget. So if the budget is maxed out, go to the budgets and open the one tied to the account record. So here, cloud software at 100%. So you have to tap on request more funds as an employee or edit the budget limit if you are an admin and set a higher monthly amount. Next is check the card's control. So open the cards, go your card, and make sure card is active, is toggled on, and the merchant category is not restricted. So the spend limit covers the purchase. The international transactions are allowed if the merchant bills from abroad. So save any changes if you have. Lastly is retry the payment. So run the charge again, updates apply instantly, so no need to reissue the card. The transaction now shows a green approved badge and budget bar updates with the new limit. So if it still declines, the merchant may be pre-authorizing more than the amount shown. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.